this is called tracking, and in this video I am going to teach you how to track your text without CapCut Pro. As usual, go over to the Spring app and you should have already imported the video that you want to edit. And as you can see, I've already written the text that I want to track and chosen the font and color of my choice. And I'm going to drag the text right on top where my hand is. The next thing is, at the point where my hand starts moving, I'm going to choose exactly that point and add a keyframe. After adding keyframe, I'm going to scroll to where my hand moved away, and then I'll drag my text in the same position as the movement of my hand to where my hand currently is. As you might have noticed during the movement, another keyframe was automatically added. Now the next stage is very crucial. Move a little bit from your keyframe and split. When you split, now scroll back to where your hand moved sideways and make sure it is exactly at that point. Now add another keyframe. Once you've added another keyframe, now move the text very carefully in the same position that your hand went sideways. In that process, another keyframe will automatically be added again, and now we are going to play our video to see the result. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do text tracking. Imagine if you do CapCut Pro edits without CapCut Pro. Welcome to my new series where I'm going to be teaching you how you can make amazing CapCut Pro edits without using CapCut or CapCut Pro.